Hey guys, so today we are going to be making butter slime. So let's get started. And by the way, this is our first video, so
like and subscribe. Hello!
So you need a bowl,
a pencil,
well, a mixing tool, but we're using a pencil, glue,
detergent,
and Play-Doh. And these things, actually, you should actually have them at home, so yeah. So let's get started. Okay, so this is optional, but you can use food coloring, but we're not really going to use any, so
it's
yeah. So first you want to pour your glue, but you can put as much as you want. If you want, you can hold it, so I can see. So we're going to add as much as we want, but we're not going to put so much because we don't want to waste a whole glue bottle. And just one day. Oh, and make sure you have a container for your slime or like a baggie to restore it so it won't get dried out. Okay, so
you have it there.
Now, if you're gonna add food coloring, go ahead, but we're not. But after you put the glue in, you're gonna put in some Tide and first add little by little and just mix it up. So we'll come right back to you when it's ready. When you know you're getting the right consistency is when it starts sticking off of the bowl, but then after that, if it's like all wet, you grab it in your hands, and if it's sticky while you have it in your hands, you put detergent. So as you can see, it's kind of coming out, so we'll come back to you when it's actually ready.
So we're back.
Okay, so it's pretty much done, but when it's when you think it's already good, play with it in your hand. So we are now playing with it, and it's really wet, but it's actually really good if it's wet, because if it's sticky, it's not going to be sticky anymore because it just has detergent, and the detergent makes it non-sticky. So yeah, and after you finish mixing everything, you're going to add your Play-Doh. So we're going to get that much Play-Doh, but we're not going to put any food coloring because that's going to make the color.
So you're going to add a little bit at a time.
So with the Play-Doh, you want to add little by little, because if you just add a big chunk, it can mess up the slime really bad, and it won't be all good. So yeah. Okay, so we've gotten the right consistency. So now we're going to add Play-Doh. So first we're going to start with that little piece. Show them.
That big, like 5 inches.
No, like 5 millimeters.
5 millimeters.
So you're going to mix it in. And first it's going to be pretty chunky, but you just mix it in, basically. So we're going to start putting in some more.
And here's another one.
Small. Okay. Now add more. Mix it up. And this actually comes out really good. And if you guys don't believe us, then we'll show you right now, because we have proof.
We'll be right back.
So when you finish, it's going to be pretty sticky, but this is the one that we made right now. And it's actually butter slime. Look at that. Stays in its form. I mean, it's not really stretchy, but what matters most is that it's butter slime. Yeah, it's barely stretchy, but at least you have butter slime. So if you want it stretchy, then don't add so much of the Play-Doh, because if you want it butter slime but also stretchy, then don't add so much Play-Doh. Like if you had a whole blob, don't. If you want it stretchy and you had a whole blob, don't do that, because then it's not going to come out. I'm just mixing it in, and it actually came out in a really good color. It's really pretty. That the camera wouldn't focus on it, but it did.
It's like
just a little bit more. This is about it on what we're doing, so we'll come back to you when it's all done. Okay, so we're back, and it's a bit sticky, but we don't really care. And look, it's actually pretty stretchy, but really sticky, and it's butter slime. So yeah, ready? There you go. And butter slime isn't supposed to be sticky, but yeah. So yeah. Okay guys, so that's going to close up this video, and we are going to be doing another video in a few minutes, but it's going to be in the bathroom because you can make a mess in this, and you can have better angle and better lighting. So yeah, See you guys right now.